Hello guys, this is Kartik and I am back with an amazing video. So in this video we are going to attempt a question from the section of collections in Python, and the problem name is collections.deque. So basically a deque is a double-ended queue. It can be used to add or remove elements from both ends of the queues. Both end of the queues. So if you don't know about queue or deque, so you have to go and check it out the DSA, and queue is a part of DSA. So you have to learn queue and then you can come back and attempt this question. So basically a deque is a double-ended queue. So it is used for adding or removing element from the both end of the queues. And now in this problem, our task is to perform append, pop left and append left method on an empty deque D. So if you don't know about these append, pop left methods, you have to just learn about deque. So now you can see the sample input. There are first of all we have to read the input format. The first line contains an integer n, the number of the operation. So basically the number of the operation is 6, and the next line n contains the space separated names of methods and their values: append 1, append 2, append 3, and append left to the 4, like append left 4, pop left, and you can see. So here we have to perform these tasks, these operations on a collection. So here for that we have to import collection, from collection we have to import deque. And guys, if you wonder why I'm not writing code, that's because there's a glitch in HackerRank. So you can see I can't write or delete anything from the editor. So here you can see from collections we have to import deque. Then we have to create an input int, int input, and for our case we named it A, and a deque which is D. So we will create a simple for loop in the range of the A, input. So we will say B if B is equal to input dot split, not if B is equal to input dot split, and we use the dot split method to remove all the extra spacing and stuff like this. Then we have to create some if statements. So the first if statement will say if the 0th value of the B, and B is the input, is equal to append, we have to append D to the D dot append B to the index 1. Then here you can see the next is elif, which is you can say else if B of the 0th value is equal to append left, we have to append left, append the value to the left. So you can see we will do D dot append left the B to the value of index of 1. Same with the else if, if the B is if the 0th value of B is equal to pop, we have to do D dot pop, and if it is pop left, we have to just do D dot pop left, and we have to then come out of the loop and we have to create another loop. So for this loop we will say for I in D, which is our deque, we will just print int of I, not int of I, we would say that we have to print the I, and it should be int. And now let's run our program, and that's it for this question, the coding part, and as you can see it got accepted. And now let's submit and let's see what is gonna happen in submit code. So we have to wait a while, and let's see what will gonna happen here. Hopefully it will submit. So as you can see guys, it got submitted. So guys, I hope you understand and enjoy this video. So in the next tutorial we are going to solve more problems. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.